And coming to my background, I do have a PharmD degree, and I have been working as a pharmacist and a pharmacy manager for the past few years. And when I was looking for a career change, I found pharmacovigilance quite interesting. And one of my friends referred me to Dr. Abhishek, and that's how I joined the course with MediPharm Solutions. And I did finish, all the, once I'm done with all the modules in the course, I was assigned to marketing team. And in the marketing team, I used to attend all the classes that Dr. Abhishek used to do for the marketing. And once I am in there, they always tell us how to do where to apply from, and they have fixed number of figures, apply these many job positions in a week. And so I used to follow what all Abhishek and his team told me, and I applied on LinkedIn, and that's how I landed with this interview and this job. If you guys have any questions,